I really can't imagine where Prime Downhole would be without Elevated Technologies supporting us. Their invaluable guidance and support have made our tremendous growth seamless and, quite frankly, painless. My name is Danielle Walker. I'm the ERP manager at Prime Downhole Manufacturing. Prime Downhole is a manufacturing company in the oil and gas industry. We have two divisions specializing in precision machining of downhole tools and product design and engineering of power sections. You don't know you need cybersecurity until you know. It was through an unfortunate mistake by an employee that we learned the true value of cybersecurity. Thankfully, Elevated had already deployed firewalls, an intrusion detection system, and advanced threat monitoring solutions. Elevated not only provides the backbone of cybersecurity throughout our infrastructure, but they also help to train our employees on what not to click. The most vivid example of their support is our 2021 acquisition of what is now our Viking Power Technologies division. Elevated secured our domain, advised on purchases from servers, wireless access points, and then got to work putting it all in place. Because of their amazing abilities and support, there was less than 1 day of downtime for that facility. No one else could have pulled off what Elevated Technologies did that day. We absolutely would recommend Elevated Technologies to anybody looking for outstanding IT solutions and exceptional support.